Hi, Mary Butler here. I want to update you on what has been a really positive news week for Waterford. On Sunday last I announced 350,000 in additional palliative care support for the South East. I was delighted to secure this funding as palliative care has a very special place in the hearts of many. This funding is delivered as a once-off payment to support the community hospice sector to deal with the demands arising from COVID-19. This means that the 4 South East community hospices, including Waterford Hospice Group, will each receive €87,500. On Monday there was also a substantial announcement for Greenways. A funding allocation of 9 million will support the refurbishment of the disused New Ross to Waterford Railway as part of the Greenway connecting Waterford to New Ross. As we all know, the Waterford to Dungarvan Greenway has been a great success and is one of the most valued of the many natural amenities that we have in the South East. Then on Tuesday the government signed off on €80.6 million from the Urban Regeneration and Development Fund in support for the Waterford North Quays project. The announcement represented one of the single biggest investments ever in the South East, totalling 110 million. The North Quays project is the largest commercial development in Waterford and currently the largest urban regeneration project in the whole country. I want to thank Minister Darragh O'Brien for working closely with me on this over the past number of months. And I really want to recognise the huge significance and importance of the North Quays project to Waterford. After many false dawns, this significant funding means the necessary works can commence and the North Quays can become a reality. The people of Waterford deserve this. Gorv Mahagut.